All right, hello people, Mr. Chang here. About to set you guys loose on your next activity, which is your advisory collage and scavenger hunt. I think you guys will have fun with this. Let me show you what I need from you guys. So this is not going to be due in 2 days. We'll have a little more time. So I'll probably make it due next week sometime, Monday or Tuesday. But this is the advisory hunt scavenger hunt. Here on the first page is the example of what you need to do for your team collage. And slide 2 is where you're going to put your actual team collage. And slides 3, 4, and 5 are Zoom challenges that you as a team must complete to fully finish this assignment. But the purpose of this video is not to talk about the scavenger hunt. The purpose of this video is to talk about how to make an awesome team collage. So here's what you need to do. First things first, each team must share the team collage with each other. So make sure you click the share button. Oh, I'm going to do this as a share my desktop so you guys can see all the menus that pop up and all that good stuff. So here we go. Am I sharing this screen? Let's see. Make this big. Stop share. Share again. Desktop 2. Boom. Okay, here we go. Now, make sure you share it with each other. First thing you're going to do, you're going to make a copy, boom, of the entire presentation. Label this copy not as copy of, but put your team name right in there in parentheses. That's how you're going to make a copy. Click OK, you're good. Next thing you're going to do, step 2, you're going to share your collage and scavenger hunt with every member in your group. So let's just pretend I'm in a group with Leslie R. Let's see, who's R? Yeah, like Leslie, and maybe Val, Lara, and I forgot who else is in the Pyromaniacs, but you get the picture. Everybody share your email addresses so you are all working on one set of slides. You are only, as a group, going to submit one set of slides. This is what you're going to do. Share it with each other. Next, have a picture of each team member on the slide with their names. You guys want to do this. Look at me mean mugging for this camera. Put a nice picture of yourself on here, not me mean mugging. Nice picture of yourself. And the way to make a cool picture is to do the following, okay? You can use your Chromebook to take a picture of yourself. So one way to do that is to go insert, image, and you can just use the camera. That's how I got my mean mug. I'll do that again for you right here. Boom, camera on. Boom, okay. Insert. Of course, you can just upload a picture of yourself from your phone or your camera onto your Chromebook. That might be better. But you see, I've got like this square image. I want to make this into a cool circular image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this is highlighted, right? So I've got my image highlighted. Then I'm going to go over here to the mask image, or sorry, the crop image menu button at the top. I'm going to click on that, and I've got this crop stuff. Then this little arrow head down where it says mask image, I'm going to click that. I've got all these shapes. I'm going to pick a cool shape that I like. I'm going to try a hexagon. And there, I can now resize my hexagon however I want it. I can move my face into the middle of my hexagon, and boom, I've got a shape that looks good. Then I'm going to take and insert I'm going to go to the shapes. I'm going to go down to call outs, and they have these cool little ribbons. And maybe I don't want to use that one. I'm going to go to shapes and call outs. And I like this one for myself. This is going to be, oh yeah, curvy. I like that. Mr. Chang. Duh. Okay. Now I'm going to center it. Maybe we'll change the color of the font. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to underline it. I'm going to make it italics. I have a very specific font that I love. I love Lobster. I'm going Lobster. I'm going to change the background color of this because I love green. But you get the point. Everybody needs to customize their picture, their font, their colors to something that they love, that represents them. Each person should have access. Each person has access to this slide, so you guys should all individually post a picture, a title, something that you love that represents you. Boom. And if you ever are curious, rewind this video. You can click on this little cool icon shape picture.png, and you'll get a reminder of where to get all these little menus and how to do all these clicks. But everybody needs to load a picture of themselves. You got to put your name up there. And you've got to customize this for yourself individually, your picture. And then as a team, you have to decide how else you're going to handle the collective elements of this collage. Team name, the Mr. Changs. And again, change the font, do something, change the color, do something that you all love, make your font big. Customize, 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 customize. That is what you guys are trying to do. You're trying to customize this. Oh, I love that orange on blue. Now, the other thing I want you to, so we did one, we did two, we did the team name. Oh, have a customized background. So now to do this, you're going to go, let's see. Oh, right click on the slide, go to change background, and start to customize your background, the background of the entire slide. This is something that you all have to agree to. And I am going to go with a nice gray background for now, so that everything else stands out and pops. I don't want a dark color in the background because then it's hard to make contrast. I'm going to go light, but that's just me. Okay, so I did that. Now the last one, have at least one other picture or customization that represents the group. I think you guys know where I am headed because this is Team Mr. the Changs. Team the Mr. Changs. Team the Mr. Changs loves basketball. And so Team Mr. Chang is going to put something basketball related onto my team slide. I'm gonna go with an icon. This one, love that. Copy. Yeah, this guy. Copy image. Boom. Advisory collage. Paste. Yeah, look at that. I'll figure out some way to make that background different. But you get the idea. All right. Good luck with this. Have fun. And if you're done with this, right, remember, this is just the example. You guys are going to start on slide 2 and put your team collage here. Try and get to scavenger hunt number 1 and work on that. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm excited to see what you guys do. All right, you guys, Mr. Chang out.